Hi, welcome again to Zebyoo. Today we are discussing on this official WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the front of the website. Okay, so the fully dynamic and fully management with the admin panel. Okay, so here is the sign button and the default is Gmail and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and after that it's a login, and now we have found the developer settings and page settings. Okay, so here you can add the site logo and everything you can add just like one, and you can manage contact pages from here. Okay, and SEO settings from here. Okay, you can add SEO settings and testimonial team. Okay, everything was on here. You can create a team and use it, and contact, everything you can add, and template you can this one is official of WhatsApp, and notification and partners. You can add money partners just like to add just here, just like partners means here is the partners was showing here. Okay, and you can manage full front end from the here. Okay, and here is the developer setting, app settings, storage settings. Okay, and profile settings, admin and role, page settings, everything on here, and it's a cloud API. Okay, here is the admin, and it's one is a user. Okay, so you can use to log in this one. Okay, so use, and this one is my account, and both are to my account, and now we have to go and order. We can add payment gateways. Okay, we have a multiple payment gateway on here. You can add, create a manual payment gateway also. You can manage, you can create a manual gateway name, logo, API, whatever you want. So don't need it. Okay, so here is, you can manage whatever, and currency whatever you want, everything you can set on here. Help and support system also on here. You can manage help section and everything. You can manage subscription, you can edit a plan. Okay, so here is admin panel. Now I show you the customer panel, what the client was used. Okay, this one is a client panel. Okay, so here the client, you can add cloud API, WhatsApp phone number, WhatsApp username, WhatsApp phone number ID, business ID, meta application ID, and access token, and create. After that it will be create, then it will be automatically showing the connected WhatsApp. Okay, so here is the single send messaging. So here is a many things, text with image, template, message approved, meta approved. You can select if you make a template on there, so you can build up on there also. You can send button message to here. You can list message, audio message, send location, and send everything on here. Okay, send video, whatever you want. It's a chatbot. Auto reply also we build up inside here. You can create a default plain text template. You can use template, pull keywords and select template. If your template have, then it will be auto reply to your the client. And you can also use a create app to select number, app name and website link. Okay, after that you can here the manage uh, template from meta. Then you can load meta template and you can create meta template. Okay, so here you can create a meta template with this all features on here. Okay, so don't panic. Here is a full way you can create it to meta template, and you can also use send the bulk message with template. Okay, here is a template, so you can send the unlimited of bulk message, never ban, because it's the official meta API. Create schedules. You can schedules message, select WhatsApp phone number, receive group, date, month, and done. After this one is a fully cloud version that you can use it in your system, and you can give to your client the best service as well. So here is the version of one WhatsApp management system for official. So here is a last way, and you can manage multi officials account in one. Thank you for watching.